Hey guys, so I showed a factory set of Chromebook to get it packed when he first bought it. To do this is pretty simple. Now you see in the bottom right corner there's a time, the Wi-Fi, the battery. Press there. Press on the power icon. Press on sign out. Now on the login screen you're going to press on 4 buttons. You're going to press on Shift, Control, Alt, and R. One more time, that's Shift, Control, Alt, press R. You see right here it's saying reset this Chromebook. Now keep in mind, this is going to be like when you first bought it, so it's going to remove your account, delete all the files, but anything in the cloud should be good. Bottom right corner, press restart. Okay, so it says it's going to reset the Chromebook back to the previous version. Bottom right corner, press Powerwash and revert. Press continue. For some people, it may automatically be returned, but if you're in a developer mode, you're going to press on return to secure mode. Just press up arrow, press enter. Press confirm. Powerwash in progress. And you guys, good to go. Just press get started. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helped out.